Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.